Every semester, I grade APIs from my students. And every semester, I see the same pattern. Flask apps with no validation. Django projects with more configuration than actual code. Then FastAPI showed up and fixed both problems. FastAPI is a Python web framework that uses type hints to automatically validate data, generate documentation, and serve APIs at lightning speed. No manual checks. No separate docs. Just clean code that works. Here is the magic. You define a function with Python type hints. FastAPI reads those types and automatically validates incoming data. Wrong type? The request never reaches your code. Add a response model and it serializes your output safely. And without any extra work, FastAPI generates an open API specification with interactive Swagger docs. Every endpoint, every schema, already documented and testable. You did not write docs. You did not configure anything. It just happened. Getting started takes 3 commands. Pip install FastAPI, pip install Uvicorn, write a single Python file. Define a get endpoint that returns a dictionary. Run Uvicorn main app. Hit enter. Your API is live on port 8000. Add /docs to the URL and Swagger UI appears, fully interactive. Want async? Just add async. Want validation? Already done. That is the whole setup. 3 commands to a production-ready API. This is why I teach FastAPI in my app development class. It forces students to think about types, produces production-ready code by default, and eliminates the most common API bugs before they happen. AI backends use it. Startups ship with it. Employers ask for it. If you are learning Python backend in 2026, start here. I am an IT professor. Subscribe for the stuff your syllabus does not cover.